Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use your Discord on mobile effectively. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive deep into the video. So using your Discord on your mobile phone is basically very simple, and you can simply use your Discord on mobile effectively by leveraging navigation gestures like managing notifications and organizing your server. Now, the key action includes swiping between the panels like server list and channels and member list. Using the bottom navigation bar for quick access to DMs or like settings and organizing servers into folders. So, if you're going to do this, then you can simply get your Discord very effective and very organized. If the app runs slowly, you can ensure it is updated to the leverage performance optimization as well. And while in voice channel, you can even share your screen. So this is how you can simply use Discord on mobile effectively. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.